Okay guys, funny little situation here. I put the key in there, but I'll start it up pressing that, but I'll let you guys see this. Watch this. Sweet. Like, battery's dead, right? Let's try that again. Yeah. Okay, I'll turn that off. Great. Let's try to fix this now. You guys probably know in an Audi, the battery is in the trunk underneath here. Like, it's underneath the tire there. Right, so you pop this. Just pop it, hooks right there. And that just spins off. Bunch of other shit there. So like that. This just pops off like that. Just like that. And then you got your positive, you got your negative, and that's really loose. That's my issue here. Okay, so we got positive. There, that's connected nicely. And we got our negative. That's on pretty good. Oops. Yeah, that's good enough. So we got it started. It's all running good. I'm going straight to my work, the dealership, and then from there, I believe we'll try to get it in today. What's up, guys? So last time you saw my Audi, the battery needed to get replaced and the oil change. So I got the battery replaced. I'll show you the cost rundown of that, and then in another video I'll show you how much the cost rundown was for the oil change. So I'll show you what happened and what battery we got. Okay guys, so we'll lift this up, and that shows us the tire right there. Then from the tire, guys, we'll just take this and this off, put it on the compartment that side. It's probably easier. Take out the tire. And then there's this plastic sheet here. Shall just pop off. That just protects the metal from the battery. Sorry about the other people in this garage. And then there we go. There's my new battery. So you can see the difference. So you guys can see it's a green battery now. Not sure what else. I wasn't able to see it when it was going in because I was at work. But yeah, pretty much the same size, same type, because this is a valve. This is, well, just needs to breathe the battery. So yeah, that's all the battery is there. And then I'll show you guys the prices of how much that cost. Okay guys, if you can read that. Yeah. So remove trunk component for access, check battery. Almost no charge left. So this is just their whole process and description of what they're doing here. But I'll skip all of that. So it took an hour and a half. Labor, $157.50. Then on over here, battery was $253.27 plus an extra charge of $1.44. So $157 for the labor, then battery, then shop supplies down here, then what else is there? Taxes, and then another taxes. So that ends up being $472.26 for my Audi A5 battery. Okay guys, so let me know what your thoughts are for spending $472.26 on my 2010 Audi A5 battery. Let me know what the prices of your car batteries are and what your thoughts are on this. Just let me know. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you subscribe, like the video, and then please check out my other videos. I will have the oil change price and all that in the next video, so keep tuned to that. And yeah, see you guys. Peace.